What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got my boy Tanner over here, and we got Storm in the back. We got his R6 right over there, and we are getting Ivy locked and loaded on the trailer. Cause guess what? Where we going today, Tanner?
Nashville.
Yeah, let's go. I was hoping to have Lacey finish. I don't know if I posted a video updating you guys on exactly what's going on, but she's not done. And my boy Nate, he crashed his R1.
Low-sided and dropped the bike. Oh man, I'm so pissed. Fairing damage. Windshield's messed up.
But he wants to come, and y'all know Nate gets some crazy shots, and I haven't seen my boy in a while. So we're bringing Ivy for him while I'll be on Storm. So we're getting her locked and loaded. He might stand out just a little bit. He may or may not throw some smackdowns. You think Ivy can hang if we do some smackdowns?
If he races me, going stoplight to stoplight. I got money on this thing.
Hey, yeah, y'all saw the video we raced my boy Connors. Shout out to him, CBR 600 RR. And I was proud of Ivy. She held her own. Go watch that video if you haven't seen that video. But all right, let's finish getting Ivy locked and loaded onto the trailer. All right, so I think we're locked and loaded. Tanner and I's first time ever loading up a cruiser. Last time we had Storm, his R6, and then Lacey in the back. So we'll see how this goes. It's definitely a little bit different. She literally barely fit on here, like barely. Versus the R6, she got so much room up there. She's a big girl. Ivy's a big girl. That's how I like her, baby. A little thick. Guys, we just had our first hiccup on the side of the road out here. Tanner's R6 literally was leaned that way. Like I looked in my mirror and I was like, Tanner, your R6 fell over. And he was like, what? Oh, boy. Yep, on her side. So this strap was over on this side of the bike, and it went from the rear to this anchor point down here. But this caliper on the freaking Harley literally shredded it. So it cut it in half. That's crazy. So note if you ever travel with a V-Rod, the caliper will literally cut your straps if you're not careful. So, and thankfully there's no damage to his bike. Like if you look down here, look at this. It was leaning on this railing. You can see where this the foot peg right here was scraping on the top of the trailer. But yeah, no damage to his R6 down there, surprisingly. Thank the Lord. We just got really lucky, really lucky. And we're back, baby, to the city. So currently it is, what time is it, Nate? I can't even check my watch.
Man, I think it's about 11:30.
Woo!
Almost midnight, baby.
I know, everyone else is either in bed, drinking, smoking, and we're about to go do what?
Hey man, we're out here filming content. Listen, there is a grind and there's a price to pay to be great.
Yep.
And we're paying that price, man. It's cold and I hate the cold.
Yeah, we're about to get out here and do it. You already know, when you can see the breath, it ain't for me. Woo! Guys, we are downtown Nashville. Excuse the Ducati hat. I need to get a Yamaha hat because the guy's been letting me down lately. But anyway, so we just got Storm unloaded. We're gonna see if she actually starts. I have zero faith because this lithium battery in here, if it's freaking 50 degrees or it's slightly cold, does not want to start. So if you run in the cold, don't get lithium battery. Woo, come on, Storm, come on. We got this girl. Oh man, yeah, we have to push start it. We definitely have to push start it. Yep, they have to push start it.
Push to start, baby. That's what they say, ain't it?
You what?
Push to start. That dog got the first push to start bike there is.
Oh, I don't need gas. You have to gas. Bruh.
She didn't want to start.
There, she redeemed herself. Woo! Listen to that cold start, baby.
Tell them what you got.
We got with the cold start, baby, plate on there. The OG cold start queen.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 0 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 0 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Countdown, levitate. Going up, elevate.
Reels, videos, I don't know what we're gonna do with that content, but it's gonna be dope. Regardless. I thought she was gonna throw flames, but she didn't throw anything, so it's okay. We probably just woke up a lot of people. But it's all good, we in Nashville, baby. It is 1:30 in the freaking morning. This is what goes into getting content, man. Man, I moved the mic, so hopefully this audio comes out somewhat decent. Man, I'm just excited to be back in Nashville, dude. Man, I miss the city life so much. Holy cow. We're about to pull up to the Exxon, which is essentially like, if you're from Atlanta, the BP of Atlanta. If you're from Lexington, this is like the pit of Lexington. Let's see if we got any bikes out here. I don't see a single one. Damn. I was hoping we run into something. Nope, nothing out here. Well, that kind of sucks. I guess it just is what it is. It's kind of chilly out, so I guess what should I have expected, you know? Oof. Hey, ain't nothing going on. Supreme boy. I'm gonna get a picture real quick. Oh, you took some? Oh, alright, bet. Oh yeah, that's gonna look sick. That's perfect. Everything set up, all the lights, got the camera, we got Storm with the cold start, baby. Plates on there. Y'all already know. Nate, he got the gimbal out, so you know it's about to get serious up in here. You cold, Nate?
A little bit cold. It's working for the content.
Yep, my fingers are freezing.
You got me sitting in a fetal position. Hot colors, baby.
Oh yeah, with the blue and the red, the lights you always stop for. Write that right, Nate. We never run.
Never run.
This channel does not condone running, all right? Always stop. Law enforcement, we appreciate everything you guys do for us.
baby.
Let's go. We about to put this new decal on, baby. Which if you're not following your boy on Instagram, what are you doing? Go follow your boy. It's where you get the behind the scenes, baby. If you're following me, you already seen this like 2 weeks ago, so you're missing out. Man, so Nate really about to ride back home. It is under freezing right now, bro.
Listen, look what I got on. There's a jacket underneath. Below that, I got a hoodie, and I got the pea coat on top. I'm not playing with this weather.
This man's Eskimo. This is natural habitat right here, but he hates being cold, man. I'm driving back in the truck, and before y'all say anything, he volunteered to do this. This was his choice. I was like, I'll ride her home, and he was like, no, I want to spend some time on the bike because he can't ride right now because his R1 is down.
Yeah, we didn't even go through that story yet.
I know. Yeah, we haven't yet. We'll talk about it later once she's all fixed.
GP shit.
So it's gonna take some getting used to. But when you're upshifting, or yeah, it's just like click, click, click. It's just nice. The cold start, baby. This man, it's been a while. You what?
Bro, I cannot see a thing.
Yeah, hell no. That's
especially once we hit the fog.
Yeah, I was like,
I couldn't press up the button. I didn't know I couldn't find it.
Yeah, we hit some thick fog. No, that's scary. Damn, dude, tomorrow's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to see what comes out of these trailers, bro. You got anything to say to close out the vlog, Nate?
Hey man, all I recommend is not to ride in cold weather. It's your boy FastLaneD. And we out. Peace!
We'll catch y'all tomorrow. We out, man. I'm exhausted. It's freaking 3:30 in the morning, 4:30 Atlanta time. We out. Peace.